Hi, this is Joanna from Email Octopus, and I'm going to show you how to connect your Email Octopus account with your Amazon Web Services account. After you've completed your initial registration and added your business address, you will land on this screen, which gives you two options. One, if you already created your AWS account, and one, if you still need to do that. So if you click No, Not Yet, this will guide you to AWS to create your free account. For the purpose of this video, we'll assume that I have already created my AWS account, so we will go ahead and click Yes. On the next screen, the first step is creating a user in AWS. We provide the instructions here for you, which should make it easier to set up. So on the AWS end, we will use Email Octopus as our username, or you can use any username that you want. Click on the programmatic access and let's move to the next step, permissions. Now, if you go back to our guide, you can click on I've done this and it will show you what to do on the permissions page. It will also link you to the permissions page directly if you were to come back because you didn't complete the setup yet. But we are already on the correct page. So as the instructions say, we will click Attach Existing Policies, and in here we will search for SES Full Access and tick the box next to that. And we can move to the next page, which are tags. But we don't use tags, so you can just skip over it. So on to the last stage, Review. And finally, we've created our user. So here you will have your access key ID and your secret access key, which need to be inserted into the last step of Email Octopus setup process. So all you need to do now is to copy the main access key and paste it here. And lastly, show the secret key, copy it, and paste it here. Then you simply click I've done this and you're connected. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.